You know what? Help me out.
You're always on my mind, girl. Well, don't you know that you're... Well, I remember when I first met you, I knew just what to do. I had to get to know you right. Through the darkness, you're my light. You're always on my mind. And I've been waiting so long for you. I wrote the song, girl. You don't know what you've got until your world has gone. This is why I love you strong. Girl, you got me singing with some melody. You're always on my mind. This is what you do to me. Girl, you got me singing with some harmony. Forever you're my queen, and baby girl, I'm your king. Help me out, yo. You're always on my mind, girl. Well, don't you know that you're always on my mind, girl. Okay, I'm gonna sing 4 of them, and then everybody in the house take over, nice and loud. Sing it for all the artists that have been here this evening. You guys have stayed up real late, so kia ora to that. We go like this. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. You ready? You're always on my mind. Here you go. Let's go, Fano. One more time. Do it nice and loud. Go! Always on my mind. Okay. Now you're nice and warmed up. Let me hear you sing. Oh, 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 oh. Let me hear you sing. Let me hear you sing. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. Let me hear you sing. Joyce, here we go. Is this really what you want? Like a ghost, your love will always haunt me through another sleepless night. It seems like all we do is fight. Fate has dealt all of her cards, and I know this will be hard, but we can make it all through. For my love, I had trusted in you, but we keep banging our heads against this wall. Oh girl, it's you I do adore, but I don't think I can take this anymore. Oh.